Making avocado toast, literally the easiest thing you could do. They're literally the same ingredients. First, toast. Second, avocado. I'm just cutting it open like this. I'm just gonna use half of an avocado. Also, when you buy your avocados, it is so good with just fresh avocados. When you buy your avocados, don't be scared to buy them whenever they're not ripe. Let them sit out on the counter, still in the bag, for a couple, like a day or two, and just give it a nice squeeze every day. And then, once you feel like it is starting to get soft, put them in your refrigerator. They'll last longer. They'll last for like a week. Got my avocado, smashing it around. And at this point, I'm just gonna add a little salt because the avocado does not have much flavor on its own. You can do different things from here. I'm just now going to add a boiled egg. So I made like 5 at the beginning of the week. And I'm just gonna add that here. Okay, before I add the egg, I'm going to put on the seasoning, the bagel seasonings. I'll look at the price of Trader Joe's at the store. And I'm gonna just separate and do this like so. I mean, it looks the exact same, but it looks like there's a little bit more of the minced garlic and onion on the on this one. And then it looks like there is a little bit more poppy seed, sesame seed action going on in that one. I like to get protein in here, so that's why I do the egg. And this has been the easiest like snack or light breakfast that I've been doing this week. I know which ones are what, and I'm just gonna eat this, and I'm gonna tell you if it's the same. Okay, that was an Aldi's bite. Now we're gonna go into Trader Joe's bite. At first, the Trader Joe's one had like a little bit more variety of flavor as you're eating it. Like it was salty, or it was like nutty, and then it became salty at the end. Whereas the Aldi's one was a little bit more garlicky and oniony at the beginning. And then it became nutty and salty at the end. But honestly, it's so similar you can't tell that much of a difference. Okay, anyway, this is delicious. I'm gonna finish this, I'm gonna work out and keep working from home because, you know, we have that quarantine life right now. I hope everybody's doing well. Man, if you have any type of prayer request or request a video, drop it in the comments. I would love to pray for you during this quarantine time while I'm at home. And also, if you made this, if you made avocado toast, take a picture and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see, and I will share and shout you out if you made avocado toast. All right, stay happy, keep cooking, have a great day.